Hi everyone, Anisha here. I am just coming in with a quick tip about copy and pasting text formats that you would have created in your Canva design. We go here to text, then we bring in a text box, and I'm just going to type something simple. Make some adjustments to it quickly. This bigger. And we're going to make this into a script font. Okay, so we have our format. We like this format and we want to use it on multiple pages, probably multiple locations, right? So instead of double clicking on the text box where you see this line that would allow you to type more information in, we are not going to do that. We're just going to click on the box once and we go here to duplicate, and it duplicates the exact same format that we have created. Another way you can do that is click once, Control C, Control V to copy the text box exactly as it is. Now, if you do double click and you see that line and you copy the information within the box so that it's all blue, and we Control C and then Control V, it goes back to the first format that we had before we added the format that we wanted. Okay, so I hope that is useful for you in creating your various designs. I can show you something else really quickly. If you see a template and you're like, okay, I like this, I like how it's formatted. Once you click on it once, everything is highlighted once the blue lines are around it. Control C, we open another page, and Control V, and it keeps the exact same format. Okay, so I hope you find that useful and it will help a great deal in saving time when you're creating documents and want to keep your format in sync. All right, if you do have any questions, always leave them in the comment so I can try my best to help. Have fun.